FF5 Swifty, and today you join me at the Channel Tunnel Crossing in Folkestone for Le Mans Classic 2023. So let's have a look around at what's in the car park at the Tunnel Crossing, because there's some pretty nice cars here. But yeah, this trip's going to be amazing. I have a Ferrari 308 GTS next to a 458. That's pretty nice. Can't lie, I love the red. On the NSX, which looks really cool. Don't see them very often. I've just noticed that it's an Acura NSX as well. It's got the Acura badge, which is pretty cool because we don't have Acura in England. Got that old 911. That is very nice. There is also a Ferrari F430 Scuderia. We're in the queue now. There's loads of Ferraris. There's Aston Martin Vantage, 458. There's a 308 behind it. That is actually a 328. Yeah. There's a Testarossa there, 512 Testarossa. So we just arrived at the service station and there are loads of cars here, so I'll do a little walkthrough of that. First we have this lovely Corvette, I don't know which model, I think C4. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. We have a Porsche and an RX-7. So we have Tim's Aston Martin, the Fiesta and the Stinger, which is like our convoy, kind of. I've just spotted a GTR over there as well. And a G-Wagon carrying a Ferrari. That's pretty cool. We have a baby blue Aston Martin. Looks really nice. It's a McLaren 650S. The highlight of the service stations for me at least is this Dodge Viper. It looks so good. I was not expecting to see that here, but yeah. I think this is the second time I've ever seen a Viper. It's so cool. Has a livery as well. Looks well suited for the Le Mans Classic, for sure. Viper is leaving now. While I was eating my lunch in the service station, this stunning Lancia Monte Carlo just turned up. I don't know, this might take the show for me, like the service show, of course. But yeah, say in the comments, which is your favourite, the Viper or the Monte Carlo? Like, I don't know, I can't choose. Both of them are just as good as each other in my opinion, in different ways. It's a Mark 1 MX-5, an Aston, is that DV9? Now that I've arrived at the campsite, I think we should do a little walk around because there's some really nice cars here. So the campsite we're staying at hosts a car show every Le Mans Classic in Le Mans. So let's have a look around. First up we have this really nice Porsche 911. Next we have this Aston Martin GT8 with these really nice orange accents to the paint. It really suits the car, I like it a lot. Next we have this really nice Bitter. It's quite an unusual car, you don't see many of these. Really like it. It's got a 5.4 litre Chevy V8. Really like it. It has a really nice body shape. Now we have this TVR style colour flip Marcos. But it just makes the car stand out from all the others. I like it a lot. The badge on this Porsche 911 almost looks like it says gut. So that's quite funny. So, with respect to the car, it does look really nice. We have the Batmobile in the form of a Ferrari 360 Spider. The Ultima has just started up. So it's a Batman Ferrari 360. Ford GT, Ford who has started up. Check out the lights on the back of that person's head. We also have a GTR rolling in, which is nice. I like that. Let's take a closer look at this GTR. So it has the Nismo wheels, which look really nice. It also has Trek and Nismo badges just above the side skirts. It's a pretty nice car. I like that. Also, check where the exhausts are on this Coupe de Ville. They're literally the bottom left and bottom right of the bumper. That's really cool. I like that. Like kind of hidden. It's a really nice feature. So we've now parked up at the racetrack and we're going to watch some racing. I'll film some of it as well. But you can hear it in the background, it sounds insane. So before we watch the racing, I just saw this Matrim Arena. Has 3 seats in the front, which is really cool actually. I like that. I think I've only ever seen one before this. Switzerland. The Mitsubishi 2000 Turbo, it looks really nice. So cool. Check out the lineup of M1s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M1s. Here's a few new BMWs. We got the new M2, M3 Touring. It's in the green. I can't really focus on it.
Comme on l'appelle, en 6 minutes 30, qui a pu évoluer ce chrono. Le passage de la numéro 4 de Dequizada, c'est de la lourde, c'est 935 4 5e du classement. Et le CR3
So that was pretty much everything from part 1 of Le Mans Classic trip. So there's going to be a part 2, which will be out soon. Thanks for watching.